Well, I got a call from Ivyland, one of my accounts here in Fallon, Nevada. So I'm going to head over there and see what they want. All right, well this part here, this was all winter stuff I did. And I was supposed to come back in the spring and work on a spring theme. But because of the pandemic, I'm not back here until now, which is summer thing. So I'm going to take this off. They really like this a lot, so I'm going to leave this. And then I got to work over on the main building, take off those little trees over there. Away we go. So I'll probably come back tomorrow or Sunday and work on this. So I grabbed this off my phone a little from Google Images, so I have some reference for this guy. It doesn't look like the original, but it gives me an idea. I do that sometimes. I just get stuff off my phone for reference. And then I added a little girl and also another kid on his right side. Here's another one I did in the other windows, and she's really fun. And I did some cool blends. I did both the blends. I mean, I did 2 coats of the white and then the 2 blends. Here I'm just doing my 2-inch foam with the red paint. And I want to talk about paint pretty soon too, because I switched to Valspar from Lowe's, because I've got a Lowe's that's only 30 miles away from me. So I got the sign up part done and the blend done. And now I'm just laying in some colors. And this is pretty simple, straightforward. I don't think I did I don't think I did 2 coats. I think I just, sometimes I just build it up, 1 coat after the other. And then now I'm doing this tone is a little bit different. It has a little bit kind of brown color to it. It's not quite as pink as the little boy did. But yeah, I just kind of brush it around, do a couple coats. Right then I don't wait for it to dry to do the second coat, but I could, it's so hot out. So I got all the flesh tones in on the characters. And now I'm taking a teal color. I guess call this a dojo or something. I'm not sure what it's called, what he's wearing. But I'm just taking the teal color and going in and doing all the shadows and stuff. I've got a hat and glasses on and drinking lots of water because it is really warm, and I'm not in the shade either. I think we'll add some music to spice this up a little. Here we go.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
So this is the carbon high flow acrylic black, or the golden high flow acrylic carbon black. I was dancing, so my right brain was going. I forgot to think. But anyway, I'm going to go in with the blue here and do some highlights. But sometimes you can find a really nice black, a house paint black to do this with. But I didn't have a lot to do, so I just used that golden high flow acrylic carbon black for it. And here I'm going in with sort of a bluish purple highlight. The music goes with this girl, don't you think? Now I'm doing a double highlight now with the kind of the. This is the same color I used for the shadow on the white colors. But that double highlight looks really cool on the black. You like this music? It's cool. Now I'm going in with sort of a medium, sort of purplish color. And again, I think I just add more paint. I don't think I do. Oh yeah, I guess, yeah, see, I go back in and right then, because it dries so quickly in the heat. I'm going in with a darker purple here. It's the same value as this purple on her clothes, it's just a darker value. And I end up using that for the shadow for the clothing too. Yeah, it was a scorcher that day. But I didn't stop. I kept going. This video is turning out to be kind of hokey. I'm spraying my feet with a sprayer because they're getting sunburned, so I have to spray them with water every once in a while. She's like dancing to it. That'd be fun to do some animation with her. Despite the heat, this was a pretty animated, fun design to do. I could have edited that part out. That's a big break. Oh, I was going to get the highlight color, but I could have cut that. Poor editing on my part. I do kind of a dry brush effect too. I go in and go like that at the top.
Don't stop.
I'm going in with the second coat on the purple. Check out my glasses, they're white framed. I'm almost 65 and I'm still going. So this is all done, the colors and stuff, I just got to do the black now. And I didn't, I had some GoPro footage of me doing the black, but I lost it because you see the GoPro right there. So annoying. But at least I got this. And you'll see the end product too. I love doing lettering like this, like following a line that just goes any old way. I'm more comfortable with that than trying to make precise like sign writing type stuff, you know, using a maul stick or whatever. That's so foreign to me. This is more comfortable when it's just flowing. So it's all done. Got all the outlines in, all the lettering in. Characters came out pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching, and be sure and click the like button and the notification bell so you can watch future videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, thanks for watching.
Stop.